Visit us at Eduvvo. Thank you for calling Eduvvo.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the one and only piece of software you need for this course, Android Studio. If you're on Windows, you can jump straight to the next video, where I'll lead you through the process using Windows 10. But in this video, I'll show you how to get Android Studio on macOS. So all you need to do is go to your favorite search engine, type in Android Studio, and you can see the top result there for me is developer.android.com/studio. That's what you want. So Android Studio is currently on version 3, and it's a complete system that allows you to both design and code your apps, and you can also run them in an emulator on your computer, so you don't need a phone or a smartwatch or a tablet to actually test your applications. You can do everything from within Android Studio. So click the big green Download Android Studio button, agree to the terms and conditions, and then click the blue Download button. That'll maybe take a little while to download. It's a pretty big file. So have a break, have a cup of tea, come back when you're done. All done? Then you just need to flip over to Finder, look in your downloads, and you should have this Android Studio DMG file, which you just double click on, and then it will verify, unpack, and allow you to install it. There we go. So just drag Android Studio over into Applications, and it will complete the installation process. And that's it. Once you've done that, open Android Studio in the way you would any application. I use Command Space to open Spotlight, and then just search for Android, and it should be towards the top there. Double click Android Studio. It'll ask you if you want to open it, and we'll say yes. You'll then get this loading screen. It might need to download some extra components. And then you get to the Setup Wizard, which just allows you to choose a few options. We're going to go for the standard installation. I'm going to use the default light theme, but if you prefer dark, you can choose the Darkular theme there. Next again, I would allow it to choose all these default SDK, that is Software Development Kit components, and then click Finish. Again, it'll take a little while to download, but when it's done, you'll finally be ready to get started with developing for Android. And then when you're done, you should see the Welcome to Android Studio message, and this is where we'll kick off in our Android Studio tour at the beginning of the next